Today I'm going to show you how to submit a document. So I've done 2 videos previously about how to create an account and how to submit your application. So the next step would be to submit all of your documents. So once again, you're going to come to the Hardin-Simmons homepage that's at this HSUTX web address. And again, you'll select Apply Now. Before you were selecting Create an Account, this time you're going to click Log In, and you're going to insert your email address and password that you set previously. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. You can select Forgot Your Password, and it will email you to this email address a new PIN number, and then you'll be able to reset your password. But do try to remember that because you'll need it every time you log in to submit something. So you'll select Log In, and then you'll come to this page. You filled out the undergraduate application, and so that's what you're going to select. And you're going to open the application, and then this is where you'll choose what document you want to submit. So you can choose to submit any of these documents that are all required, and then right here is where you'll see the ones that you need to submit. And you can see right here I have a green check mark because I've already submitted my statement of financial backing. Today I'm going to show you how to submit your statement of purpose. So I'm going to drop down here and click Statement of Purpose, and I'll go to Choose File. So I've already completed my Statement of Purpose, and so it's saved here in my computer, so I'll select that document, and I'll click Upload. And so it shows right here the time that I submitted my Statement of Purpose, and it takes just a few minutes, but once that has gone through, then I'll have a green check on my Statement of Purpose as well. So that is how you will submit a document.